Welcome back to Factorio Space Age. It's time to leave here. Over Aquilum. It's gonna keep doing its best. Make some more science. Freeze eventually. We are up on our space platform. Fully loaded with just so much science. And we need to go bring this to where we're actually gonna be doing research over in Gleba. Because I don't want to have to deal with trying to transport the science as it rots out of there. It's a whole system. It's a whole problem. Anyways, stop being here. Go to Gleba. Okay. And we'll be going through space here. Rocket systems are still working as they need to be. Don't need to be moving those around here. We need all the rockets being able to be fired as much as they can. Still have another 5,200 rockets in storage here. So that will get us through here well enough. Fire 6 rockets per one of these. Look at all that blowing up all the little chunks. Grab all those chunks. We're gonna start getting non-oxide asteroids as we head back towards the more inner system. Interestingly, if we head even further out, there's also less icy bits. There's just an icy belt out here. Well, that's okay. Oh yeah. We can definitely stay over at Aquila for a little bit if we have our rocket stores working nicely. But without any additional rocks, we would need to actually set up a system here for transferring between the different kinds of rocks. That is a thing we could do. We just don't have that set up at all. Might need to do something like that for heading out even further, just to keep things going. All these rockets. We're getting there. Speed is fine. Still only using the single thrusters, so that's fine. I'll launch a little bit more ice here. Might be a worthwhile idea. Priority oxide. Don't need quite that much. Got some carbon and sulfur. A little bit of copper. We have enough copper ore getting past. It's doing alright. Also, all of the furnaces, well, most of the furnaces are full. So it's not like additional copper ore would actually do anything right now anyways. Defenses are holding nicely here. They blast, and then the guns blast the smaller ones. It all works out. Definitely goes through plenty of rockets to get through here. Started with like, what, 5 or 2? We're down to 4.7 already. Definitely necessary to be restocking between deeper space trips here. Wild stuff. Okay. The explosions from these can sometimes hit some other smaller ones. Save some ammo from having to blast the medium bits. That's okay. Okay. Starting to get more of the different kinds as we get further back towards here. It is a straight shot to Gleba here. That's nice. We're going to be dropping ourselves off there. And then dropping the science. And also kind of just dealing with being there on Gleba. We got things to deal with. I need to drop all this science. And then go back out and collect the other sciences from the other 2 planets that we haven't gotten them from yet. Don't quite have enough space to pick up all that in the current configuration here. We got more We have 3 more cargo bays. I don't think that'd be quite enough either. Yeah, this gets the job done at least. And once we get out from this section here, we don't even use rockets. Those are only really necessary for the bigger chunks. Oh, that's pretty good too. Okay. With all this science, we're going to be researching just so many things. And then figure out how to make use of all those things. Lots of different stuff to lots of different places. Or maybe just tweak a little bit. You need to go pick up all the different things to make all the different things from all the different places. It's definitely a process. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Almost here. Let me turn this off pretty soon. Dump in good chunks. And also excess of other things. It's a system. It's a system. Okay. Once we are safely here at Glemma, we definitely collect enough of the metal rocks to make enough ammo to deal with them. All the medium-sized asteroids. So that's not really a problem. Ammo production, pretty consistently going. That's nice. Okay. So let us drop to Glemma. As we're still speeding around at tens of kilometers per second. We're here. We're stopped. Let's get down there. And set up the drop station here to actually get all of this science. This whole thing kind of needs to go here, honestly. Okay. So currently, we got these. Blue. This one's got orange. This may be black here, if anything. Filter. Give us military science banks. And then here, here, here. All these kind of also need to just be changed out. We have some science in here still. Some science in here still. All this needs to be changed, essentially. It's not going to be enough for dealing with all the different science packs we have here. Let's pick up our things. Have any rocket? Have any robots? Logistics bots. Some construction bots. Any construction bots in here? No power. Logistics bots. No power. Nothing. No power. Logistics bots. Might just put logistics bots down here, honestly. That's inconvenient, isn't it? Oh, this has got some construction bots. They're probably around here somewhere. There we go. In terms of sections here, we got this one personal Robopart Mark II with 25 robots in it. I think we have made more of those. We're not really using those. That's alright. Okay. Well, let's put some resources in boxes here. And go ahead and clean this all up here. Deconstruction planner. Just all of this. The robots will do their best. We got a lot of them. We got a lot of power in the robosuit here. They're picking stuff up. And all the stuff on the belts, and all the stuff. We can probably pick it up faster ourselves, but That's a more reasonable way to do it. None of these have power, which is going to make things if I here more difficult. Can I go landing pad? How much space do you have? 8 launches worth from the space station. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Because we can't launch more than it's going to fit. That'd be problematic. One, 2, 3. Wait for it. Maybe. Only so many drop slots here, apparently. All that. A little bit of science here, too. Between the slight extra that we've sent down and the slight extra from all of these, we're definitely gonna have enough science for everything we need to do here. So that's nice. Alright, grab these. Got a list. Gas inserter. Cool. Let's take all these out here. Those in this box. And this box. So we have to keep grabbing stuff. Come back up. Space. Drop some more. 2, 3, 4. If we had more spots waiting open to grab things here, I could technically make this take less. Okay. That's all that. We have another one of these science makers over here. It's also something to consider. These inserters are trying their best here. They're trying their best. Yeah, we do have more than this. Alright. That's just gonna mean we're gonna need more boxes. Do we have any more boxes here? We're making our own boxes? Okay. Send down some more from space. 4. No space? There's this many more in here. Well, not really. We could get power and stuff going here. If we turn that on, so let's turn on all the other stuff. And then we'd have to deal with all that, so let's not worry about that just yet, shall we? Okay. Can we make some boxes for ourselves here? We need steel. That's in here. Okay, we're gonna need quite a few more of these, actually. Like 3 boxes per science type. I probably also don't want these. I mean, just have these on this side and the other ones on this side. That's fine too. Cool. Space there. Let's see, in terms of these, we got red, green, black, blue, purple, yellow, white, orange, pink, dark blue, and then lime is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Yep. Alright. Work. Have everybody here. take these. Use some filters. Use filter. Metallurgic. Use filter. Electromagnetic. Use filter. Cryogenic. Put the science ones in here. We got some of the other ones here too. I'm gonna slowly try to put these where they need to be. These are the ones that were just in the labs and in the belts. So a little bit extra. Here's some green, here's some red. Launch some, drop some more down from space. Do kind of just need to clean this out before we go and grab the other ones, the other planets. What if we made an additional cargo landing pad, though? Would that help? Cargo landing pad. 200 concrete and 10 processing units. Okay. This is the box that would have processing units in it if we had any. It would make it if we had any. And also, if we had power here. Power is no. We're just gonna not worry about that. We're just gonna not worry about any of that right now. Fill these up. It's gonna be great. Platforms. All these and all these and all these. So get through all these and all these and all these. My goodness. That's a lot. It's a lot out here. It is many, many thousands of science. Not quite the full 160,000 delivery here, since we still need to go get the other thousands from the other spots, but essentially it is. So we're here. Up to the platform. Still waiting. Drop more, drop more, drop more. More. There's more. And more. Collecting quite the quantity here. There's 3 more drops there. And more. And more. More. It can't quite handle us throwing as many orbital drops down here as we want. They're just all kind of up in the air at the same time. And considering how much space is available and everything. Here comes 3 more. Up here, drop to that one, that one, that one. My goodness. My goodness. Definitely got some quantity out here. Wild stuff. Grab stuff from here. Where it needs to be. Make sure they're actually in the right ones, preferably. Platform. Drop. 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 Get there eventually here. Wild stuff. Wild stuff. Drop. The little timer is not entirely accurate of when it's going to be dropping. You know. It's something. Here comes a few more here. There's thousands and thousands dropping from the sky. More, more, more. Could also have this be automated, but that would also require the inserters down on the ground to actually have power to be able to move all this out. And with the speed, we could be doing drops here. I don't know if we could even have enough inserters to grab all this science out at the same time. Potentially not. So science. There's some. Here's some. There's some more. And now some space science. Right from space. You'll have to see it. Oh. Yeah, we're definitely using the third boxes here. That's alright. Okay. We just need to drop all the cryogenic science packs. Pretty much be good. First box full. Here comes some more. Yep. So once we get everything here, the next question is going to be, how do we get a lab set up with all these different sciences? Because there's a lot of them. Even with 2 on a side. In total, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So basically we need 6 belts all going. And that obviously poses some challenge in terms of being able to get all the things to all the places. It's going to essentially need to be a purely one side, 6 things on 2 sides kind of situation. We're almost there. Once we drop these last 2 bits here, we'll be able to send this space station off to the next place it needs to be. Okay. Speaking of the space map here, we need to go to here, and then back to here. So. Let's dropped everything. Add station, Volcanus. Go there until you're getting everything you need. Auto request, missing materials from here when it gets there. Volcanus should be well equipped to send it. All these filling it up. Ready to go. Great. Well, we'll send everything it needs there. That's gonna be great. Also have slightly less of this than the others. Only the strictest 18,000. Technically it's more like 17,500, but good enough. All the inserters trying the rest. These up here are all bulk inserters. Make some more bulk inserters. Might be nice. Grab up some more inserters from somewhere, maybe. Or any of these. Yeah, any more of those? Fast inserters. Electronic circuits that all went into there making stuff? Probably. Any more of these you need? That'll work, guys. That'll work itself out. Needs more iron. We'll make more iron when things get turned on. We're going to need... I mean, these up here are also only fast inserters. That's how many labs we have going at the same time. We're gonna have all the science here, because it really comes down to... It really comes down to how many... everything. Isn't there, like, piles of medicine series here? Stack inserters. Hand speed, same. Hand size 5 plus 11. These are 1 plus 11. What are these stack inserters? That sounds fun. Okay. Look at that stack. Look at that stack. He's inserted in a stack. We're gonna have stacked belts here. Probably not super necessary. And you're over here. Now, awaiting metallurgic science packs. At Gleva. At Volcanus, which is now launching them. It's all working perfectly. It's got enough speed modules here that should be sending up as fast as they can be sent up and made. Probably. So now we'll get these all sent up at good speed here. We're gonna need even more metallurgic science packs here. Lovely. We could even probably set this up to add weight condition, item count of metallurgic science pack equals a constant 18,000. That's the weight condition. And then add the station Fulgora, add weight condition, item count, electromagnetic science packs equals 19,000. Then add condition station Gleva. That should work. So be back here when it's back here. And then trash unrequested, trash slots. Looks like it's not gonna automatically send stuff down, but it'll get up, it'll be up there eventually. It'll be fine. Okay. So now we've got all these guys trying their best. If we have a lab, it's 3 across. It would be really 3. It can be long, and some underground shenanigans. Or something. In. More labs. More belts. Something. There's regular inserters. Here. Over here. Missing fast underground belts. Really? There are no fast undergrounds here. Okay. 6. It's a gears problem. We need more iron here. That's what we need. We have the belt maker 6000 here. Yep. There is regular belts. These regular belts. There is. I mean, is this all we had? Is all we set up here? Just fast belts. Okay. Well, there's a reason there's lots of problems here. One, nothing's automated. Essentially. This whole system is going to be reliant on having underground belts here. Can we get just regular speed undergrounds? 15 times per second? I mean, if they're all stacked up, maybe that'd be okay. Make some regular underground belts. We're really bottom of the barrel here. Wild stuff. If necessary, we'll be able to upgrade these when we get more production back online here. Maybe. And then we're gonna have some kind of solar panel, some kind of electrical connection every other one. This works, ostensibly. We just need to hook in all the different types of science into this. And also turn on the power. And also have enough labs going. It's very sized. Okay. I guess we're just regular transport belts, I guess. What a mess. Okay. Just kind of have this looping up and over and around. Be fine. It just keeps going. Any explosives here? Go. Just kind of take this look here. And duplicate this. Blueprint. This. Create blueprint. These need to be undergrounds coming in on this side. Okay. Trash this one. New blueprint. This. This. And place. Rotate everything. Something like this. 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 Oh, no, this will be fine. Space down here for this. Not worth dealing with it. And this. Bonus cliff explosive. And here. here. And here. Here. And what are you gonna try to put there? Like water stuff? There's more labs than we had. 5, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. And we need a lot more underground belts. And long head inserters. Amazing. Alright. And other inserters too. Let's hook up these belts here. It's at least going to somewhat function. That's what we're looking for here. We also need more regular belts made too. Alright, that's fine. And then maybe more fast belts once. No. The problem is the fast undergrounds. But still. Yeah, it's a mess here. Okay. How is the platform doing? We're at 16,000 metallurgic. Middle and rocket silos 20. On the way at 1,000. Enough to fill one rocket. It's going. We're at 17 here. That's what you can get done when you have everything ready to go. Everything is up and to go in here. It's mostly working in terms of foundries. Should be the last rocket here. And then we'll move on to the next place. Let's just do that here. Okay. We got plenty of space for both of these. That's no problem whatsoever. We should probably turn back on the rocket production here. Rocket roundabout. We'll cycle it back through. Make more. Keep it all going. What's necessary? Keeps everything chugging along. Or something. Rocks are doing fine. Nice and full of rocks. A good time. Except for the sulfur. Whatever. Okay. And now it's going. Look at it go. Now it's going here. Well, Gora, are you ready to send a bunch of science? Essentially. You don't have any more fast belt inserters? Fine. I'll go grab one fast inserter from somewhere else. You can place it there, and you can load this slightly quicker. Should be coming eventually. We took it. Should be going to storage. And it'll be placed over here, right? Right? No? These things almost work. Come on. What'd you do with that other inserter that we took? What are you doing? Let's put in a storage box. There's 8 longhand inserters. Did they take it and put it somewhere else? We didn't have any other requests going. Where are you going? You put it in this requester chest, which is requesting fast inserters. Awesome. Well, that is where I told you to put it, I guess. But, like, also, need those over there. It's gonna slow this process down with only one fast inserter. Putting in all 19,000 of these. 19,000, 4 at a time. If we could make a bulk inserter happen here. But this box here, it's got a fast inserter in it. Stop requesting fast inserters. I don't think we have any other boxes. Here we got requester chests available. We have 8 long-handed inserters. Okay. Long-handed inserter right here. You want to filter out fast inserter. Pick up the fast inserter. That is brought to storage somewhere. Right over here, that. Here's where all the alarms are. There's some more long-hand inserters. They got the fast inserter from there. It's going to be put over here. It's going to speed this up slightly for a little bit. Got no power here. Do we have any power poles in the whole world? Maybe. It's coming. There's the power pole. There's that. Alright. So that's happening. Space platform is still coming. If we get the bulk inserters made, that'd be great. Needs gears, circuits, and fast inserters. Okay, you can go. Gears, circuits. This is the bulk inserter maker. You also need a fast inserter maker, technically. Like a fast inserter maker. That's plates, electric circuits, and regular inserters. It's also not great that we don't have very many inserters to start with here. That's not helping the whole process. Iron, gears, and electronic circuits. Are there any boxes available? We got iron chests. We got some requester chests, right? We have 2 requester chests. I also need to make boxes. Maybe we just let the fast inserters deal with it. Or we could have this as a interesting situation here. Honestly, the amount of time it's going to take to send this up, we might still really have time here to actually make this work. I think that is going to be a puzzle for next time. Goodbye.